All right, Bo, you want to go see Grandma and Grandpa? Come on, let's go see Grandma and Grandpa. See Grandma and Grandpa? You ready? Are you ready? Oh, the Bobos. Oh no. What? Okay, you ready? Are you ready, Bo? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Wrong way. Car's the other way. Car's the other way. Come on, let's go that way. Come on. Come on. Drop it. And he's gone. He runs so far in front of me. It's ridiculous. Come on, let's go. Ready, ready, ready? All those noises are him. He doesn't make that much noise for anybody else or anything. Even if there's another dog barking. Even when he wants to play. Okay. You almost ready? Come on. Don't you dare. Aw, he found a French fry. Drop it. Come on, drop it. Good boy. That's such a good boy. I can't believe he actually dropped it. All right, come on. Come on. We're going to go Grandma and Grandpa's. And he runs into the parking garage. Boy, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Sorry, I'm not very good at cinematography. It's bouncing. All right. Okay, Bo. You ready? Nope. You gotta go to the other side. Come here. Come here. Ready to go to Grandma and Grandpa's? You ready to go to Grandma and Grandpa's? Wait. All right, get up. Okay. All right, we're on our way.